for teaching right from wrong. But does he actually get the law right?
So you see, Your Honor, it's without question that this defendant did these crimes.
No, that's impossible. I wasn't in Philly when it happened. I was in LA at a Dodgers game.
He's lying.
Well, you should have proof of that. That would show his innocence.
You can tell by looking at him.
A lawyer couldn't say you're lying, you can tell by looking at him. That would definitely get you in trouble in court. There's no basis for that.
Order. Defendant, do you have any proof of your alibi?
No, we don't have any proof, Your Honor.
Okay.
How do they not have any proof? Wouldn't they have like a flight purchase or even a rental car purchase, something?
Well, if there's no evidence to corroborate Robert's story, the court finds the defendant, Robert Williams, guilty on all 6 counts of assault with a deadly weapon.
Wait, what?
So just because there's no evidence he was in Los Angeles, he's all of a sudden guilty of all the charges? Yeah, it wouldn't happen like that. They need to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he's guilty of all 6 of these charges.
No!
No, please. Please, not my baby boy. He didn't do it. I know he didn't.
Your Honor, please, you have to believe me. I'm innocent. I put that on my life.
Yeah, that's not...
You know I didn't do this.
You can't just say you're innocent.
Order.
Mr. Williams, that's enough. Not another word. We'll reconvene tomorrow for sentencing.
Ooh.
Daddy, no, please.
Oh, man.
Don't go.
Everything's gonna be okay, sweetie, I promise. Daddy loves you so much.
Hey, boss. What if he's telling the truth? What if we got the wrong guy?
Well, you don't think I know what I'm doing?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just wondering if maybe we shouldn't take another look at the facts.
I just want a case. Who cares whether he did it or not? All that's important is I'm one step closer to a promotion.
That's pretty messed up. That's not what you want in a prosecutor. You want someone who's honorable, not someone who's just trying to win a case. They should really be putting people who are guilty behind bars, not innocent people.
And besides, people like him, they're all the same.
What is that?
Just a bunch of criminals.
It seems like this prosecutor may be racist. You can't judge someone's innocence or guilt based off the color of their skin. That's not allowed.
Please, sir, please. It's never too late to do the right thing.
That's true. Seems like he's very suspicious about what's happening. Sometimes you have to question your superiors.
I wasn't in Philly when it happened. I was in LA at a Dodgers game.
What's he thinking? You should be checking the evidence.
Yeah, well, I can see my headlines now. D.A. Graham gives low-life criminal life in prison.
I don't like this guy. He's all about fame.
He's innocent.
Oh,
He's innocent.
Can you give us a minute?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
He wasn't in Philly when it happened. His story checks out. Look, I have his credit card statements right here. He was making purchases in Los Angeles while the crime was happening.
there we go. That's what I was saying. There had to be some sort of record showing that he was on the trip.
Okay, so?
Well, so if he was in Los Angeles when the crime was happening in Philadelphia, then it couldn't have been him.
Yeah,
We have to get these to the defense right away.
you have
you
to.
lost your mind?
What?
I mean, maybe somebody stole his card. Maybe
No, but you
he
still
gave it
have to give the defense this
I can
evidence.
think of 1,000 reasons.
He is right that someone could have stolen his card and used it, and it's not 100% evidence that he was in Los Angeles.
But sir,
That's enough. The case is over.
What? You can't do that.
You hear me?
Prosecutors have a duty to disclose evidence favorable to the defendant. Suppressing that evidence violates the defendant's due process rights, whether it's done inadvertently or deliberately, as it is here. And tearing up this evidence and preventing it from being told to the court, that could be considered obstruction of justice. The duty to disclose comes from a famous case called Brady versus Maryland, and this sort of evidence would be considered Brady evidence, meaning that the prosecutor has to disclose this to the defense. And by not doing so, they're violating his due process rights.
Now what I would suggest that you do,
Whoa,
walk the line
straightening his tie?
so you can get ahead.
Yeah, this is like corrupt.
I have proof.
What?
What is it now?
I contacted a local convenience store and I found a photo of him.
Oh.
He bought a hot dog just before the game.
Well, that changes everything. Now they have actual proof that he was in Los Angeles, which means there's no way he could commit the crime.
It's not possible.
Take a look. He couldn't have committed a crime in Philly if he was buying a hot dog in LA.
Doesn't even look like it.
Why is this attorney willing to ruin someone's life just to win the case? That is completely unethical. Someone like this could be punished by the attorney bar in that state.
It's him. I had facial recognition confirm it.
So he said that the facial recognition confirmed it. You would still need an expert to prove this in court. But it is starting to suggest that this person was probably in Los Angeles.
Has anyone else seen this?
No, why?
Good. Let's keep it that way.
What?
I don't want you humiliating us or risking this case because you got some pictures that don't even look like the guy.
But sir...
Quiet!
This is
You want to lose your job?
completely unethical. They
I
need
don't
to
wanna hear
disclose
one
this
more
information.
word about this case.
The other thing that's very interesting is that if the defense lawyer knew his client was in Los Angeles, or at least that his client is telling him that, why didn't the defense lawyer look into the credit card purchases? Why didn't he look into any stores that the defendant may have gone into? This should be the job of the defense lawyer, not the prosecutors. But now that the prosecutors have this evidence, they do need to turn it over. Honestly though, the defense lawyer should have picked up this evidence. It's pretty bad lawyering if you ask me. Next day. Man, this is messed up. I hope this lawyer does the right thing.
You're not gonna believe this. I have video evidence.
Now they have more
What are you
evidence?
talking about?
Well, a reporter was giving an interview outside of the game.
Okay, so?
So guess who walks by? There. That's Robert.
Oh, that's 100% him. What was he gonna say? It's AI
Walk through
now?
the background of the video. I can't believe this. This proves his innocence. We have to tell the judge.
Yeah, you do.
All arise.
Have a seat.
We have to tell the judge.
Why aren't they saying
I have to
anything?
tell us.
Yeah, you do.
Is everything okay,
Man,
Mr.
this
Graham?
is-
Anything you want to share?
This lawyer would be punished by the
No,
bar.
Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Williams.
Could even lose his
Charges
license.
against you are not minor crimes. Federal statute requires a 25-year mandatory minimum sentence.
Yeah, that's not the minimum federal sentence for assault with a deadly weapon. They're off by about 15 years.
No, please, Your Honor. I'm telling you, I didn't do it.
You've already been found guilty. So unless the people have anything else,
No, you gotta
this court
say
hereby
something.
sentences the defendant Robert Williams to 25 years in a federal prison without the
Wow.
possibility of parole.
Oh, God.
Is he gonna say something? I feel like saying something. What the heck?
It's never too late to do this.
Someone's gotta say something.
Wait! Excuse me?
Just so you know, it's not when the gavel hits that all of a sudden it's too late to say something. He could still say something right now, and could have even after the gavel.
Hey, I'm sorry, Your Honor. He didn't do it. May I approach the bench?
You may.
So when lawyers ask to approach the bench, typically they have both lawyers approach at the same time. It wouldn't happen like this with just one lawyer.
Your Honor, there is no way that Mr. Williams committed those crimes. You see, I have here a credit card statement showing purchases made.
At least he's doing the
with
right
his
thing.
credit card
This is their
in
duty
Los
to do
Angeles on the
this.
same day that the crime took place in Philadelphia. And I also have a photo of the defendant. in a
Why
convenience
does this
store in
defense
Los
lawyer not
Angeles
have any of this
buying a hot dog.
information?
Just
They really
mere
did a
moments
bad
before
job
the crime
defending
took
his
place.
case.
And I have a video as well, Your Honor, that shows the defendant at Dodger Stadium at the exact time and date that the crime was taking place in Philadelphia, over 2,000 miles away. So you see, Your Honor, Robert Williams could not have committed those crimes. He was
That's
telling
true.
the truth all along.
Is Is all this true, Mr. Graham? Why didn't you say anything?
Because he was more interested in his promotion than he was in saving
Ooh,
an innocent man.
truth
from
comes
jail.
out.
I presented him with all of this evidence, Your Honor,
Oh!
and yet he ignored it.
Judge
What'd you
could
expect?
lay some sanctions on him for
Huh?
this. They got to
Okay,
report this to the
so
state
maybe
bar,
he
too.
didn't do this crime, but I'm sure he's done dozens of others.
Oh, you can't just make assumptions about people. This is not the type of person you want prosecuting people who just thinks that, oh, maybe it wasn't this crime, but they probably did others. You're on trial for the crime they're alleging you committed, not for something else. And you're innocent until proven guilty. In this guy's eyes, he already thinks you're guilty. This is not the type of lawyer you want representing the government.
Look at him, he's clearly a criminal.
Your Honor!
Order! I've heard all I've needed to hear. Mr. Williams, the charges against you have been dropped.
Oh, okay. So they already said he was guilty, and this was a sentencing hearing. So typically, the judge wouldn't just drop all the charges here. If the sentencing technically hasn't concluded, it could move pretty fast. But if you have new evidence like this, it wouldn't just be shown to the court and then the judge saying, case dropped. There would be a lot more things going on, but it would happen quickly.
You're free to go. Bailiff, uncuff him immediately. And you, Mr. Graham. Obstructing justice and tampering with evidence is a very serious crime.
Your Honor.
I'm going to...
That's correct. Obstructing justice and tampering with evidence is a serious crime. Although the judge likely wouldn't just arrest him right here on the spot. Judges can hold people in contempt where they can arrest people. But most likely, what I would imagine here is that the judge would refer all this information to the proper authorities, and then they would investigate this lawyer and press charges against him, and a new trial would happen.
I'm going to see to it that not only do you never practice law again,
You can't have someone representing the government who's willing to destroy people's lives just for a promotion. They shouldn't be a lawyer.
but that we send the right man to jail this time. You, bailiff, arrest him.
Oh,
No. No, this can't be happening.
This case is dismissed.
Let me go.
I love you so much.
Love you too, sweetheart.
justice was served here.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Served. Oh. Why did you help us?
Well, because a wise woman once told me, it's never too late to do the right thing.
That's true. Darman always wraps the moral of the story back around. Ooh, DA put behind bars. Looks like he got what he deserved. One thing about this video is that the prosecutor, or DA, was pretty obvious about how he felt. He said things like, who cares if he did it? People like him are criminals. In real life, sometimes that misconduct is not as obvious. And that's why it's important to have a lawyer that cares about the case and vigorously defends you.